How to remove red dot from iPhone phone and voicemail. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Notifications. Notification settings allow users to customize how they receive alerts from various apps, controlling what is displayed, where it's displayed, and when it's displayed. Users can also prioritize notifications through focus modes and VIP lists for emails. On this page, scroll down and go to Phone. From here, you can manage the notification settings such as alerts and lock screen appearance from here. Go to the Alert section and turn off the badges switch as shown. Following these steps, you can easily remove red dot from iPhone phone and voicemail. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.